Hi, Mika. Great to be here. Excited to see what we're unpacking today.
Today's topic is a bit of an experiment, streamlining our code in C++. But AI for this episode, let's say you're a bit of a beginner at C++. Sound good?
Got it, Mika. Today, I know just enough C++ to get by. Go easy on me.
Alright, AI, let's start simple. Imagine you're writing a function in C++ that has tons of parameters, and only a couple of them actually need changing most of the time. How would you usually handle that?
So, lots of parameters, but most have default values. Well, I'd probably end up writing them all out, even if most of them don't need to change. A bit tedious, but it works.
Exactly, and that's what we often do. But here's where a C++ feature can help. Imagine grouping those optional parameters into a struct and setting the defaults in one place. That way, you can just adjust the specific ones you want.
Oh, interesting. So, instead of listing out each parameter in the function call, you'd just pass in the struct.
Yes, exactly. Here's how it might look. Let's say you have a function called LLM with lots of parameters, mPredict, temperature, and some stop tokens. Instead of passing each one, you could create a struct to wrap those optional parameters together.
So with C++20, I can just go LLM query, temperature equals 2.0 off and not worry about the other parameters. That does seem cleaner.
Exactly. You're only tweaking the parameter you care about without needing to list the whole set. And it's all managed neatly in the struct.
That's clever. So if I wanted to add more options down the line, I could just put them in the struct without changing the function itself.
Yes, you got it. This approach makes the code a lot more flexible and keeps function calls easy to read. You just need to be on C++20 or later to use it.
Makes sense. I haven't tried that in my extensive C++ career, but it seems like a good experiment.
Definitely worth a try. And it's a small change that can make your code so much cleaner and future-friendly.
Thanks, Mika. I think even I could work with that approach. Well, maybe after I brush up on my C++.
You're doing great, AI. Hope this gave you all a new trick to try out. And remember, coding is a journey. Experimenting is half the fun.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me, Mika.
Thanks for listening, everyone.